So what we're doing here is we are adding a automatic stop to this conveyor. So when I hit the start button, the conveyor runs all the way to the end. Here's sensor B. Okay, so once it hits sensor B, it stops. So we've got that logic done, and so I've told you that I want you to add a automatic control to this, where you hit a button and it goes into automatic mode, and every time a box makes sensor A, I want it to run to the end of the conveyor and stop when it makes sensor B. So first thing we need to do is make an internal relay bit to stand in place that we actually hit the start button. So first thing we've got to do is we don't have any control in here. Let's get rid of that sensor. And we're going to make a bit. I'm going to call this auto. And then I'm going to right click and create new. It's going to fill everything in for me. But be aware, if you do this a lot, you're going to get kind of spaghetti in your tag table. So it's probably a good idea to make a double integer and pick one bit out of it and use it for everything. But in this instance, we're just making a Boolean bit. We're going to drag that over there, and it took the place. It just says we're in auto. So now we're in auto. Next, I will go over here, and let's go down here. So now I will use that bit that says that I am in an auto, and I will use a condition to latch on the conveyor, which is going to be I'll put data conveyor, and this will be my sensor. A is at the start, right? So now we have A. That gets us started. And so now, when sensor B is made, I will need to program an unlatch bit. So that's your job next, is when sensor B is made, go ahead and we'll program an unlatch bit.